Samboy, takaw na. What are you eating, Samboy? What are you eating?
Chicken.
Chicken. Very good, Samboy. Takaw? Sino takaw?
Kakao.
Samboy.
Kakao.
Si Samboy.
Kakao.
That's good, Samboy. Haba na ng buhok mo, nak. You need to cut your hair na. Very good, Samboy. Grabe, ang laki ng kinagat mo, nak, ha. That's good. Okay, grabe, takaw, oh. Grabe naman, oh. Okay, okay. Ay, nguso, ano ba yan? Ay, nguso. Sinong matakaw? Samboy.
Kakao.
Yeah.
Samboy.
Samboy, matakaw.
Samboy makakao.
Very good, Samboy. Ano kinakain mo, Sam? Ano yung kinakain mo?
Eating chicken.
Eating chicken. Very good. Grabe, nguso. Grabe, nguso yan. Agay. Yummy? Sarap? Sarap?
Yes.
That's good. Masarap, Samboy? Masarap?
Yes.
Good. That is arroz caldo.
A carrot.
No, arroz caldo.
A chicken.
Takaw, Samboy, oh. Kamay pa, oh. Talaga naman, takaw.
Kakao.
Yes.